You have a skill that could be making you money right now, but chances are you're not using it to its full potential. Most young people believe they need a traditional job to start earning, but that's simply not true. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to monetize your skills and build a business from what you already know, so you can start earning without relying on a 9 to -5 IV. Seen countless young entrepreneurs go from broke to building profitable businesses just by leveraging what they're good at. And if they can do it, so can you. Most young people underestimate their own skills. They think that unless they have a degree, a certification, or years of experience, they can't make money from what they know. But here's the truth. The skills you already have, whether it's writing, editing, coding, design, marketing, or even speaking, can be turned into a business starting today. The real problem isn't a lack of skills. It's the mindset that tells you, I'm not good enough, or nobody would pay me for this. That's the biggest mistake. If you keep waiting until you feel 100% ready, someone else will take the opportunity that could have been yours. That's why in this video, I will show you step by step how to monetize what you already know and start making money online without needing a big investment or years of experience. The first step to monetizing your skills is figuring out what you're actually good at. And here's the trick. It doesn't have to be something complicated. Most people think that to make money, they need to be an expert. But in reality, you just need to be one step ahead of someone else. If you can solve a problem or teach something better than a complete beginner, you have a skill worth monetizing. Think about the things people always ask you for help with. Do your friends ask for advice on social media? Do you always help with resumes or job applications? Maybe you're the go-to person for fixing a website, designing logos, or even giving fashion advice. Your skill is already there. Now, let's turn it into an income stream. Not all skills are monetized the same way. Choosing the right business model can make or break your success. Some skills work best as freelance services: graphic design, writing, programming. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can connect you with paying clients fast. Other skills can be productized. If you have knowledge that others want, you can create an online course, an ebook, or even a coaching program. This allows you to scale beyond trading time for money. Then, there's the subscription model. Whether it's a paid newsletter, a private community, or a software-as-a-service SaaS, subscriptions give you recurring income, meaning money comes in every month. Finally, think about passive income models: selling digital products, running ads on a blog or YouTube channel, or earning affiliate commissions. These can eventually free you from active work. The key: match your skill to a business model that fits your lifestyle and goals. And don't be afraid to experiment. In today's world, your online presence is your resume. If people can't find you online, they won't trust you or your business. Start by choosing one main platform that aligns with your business model. If you're offering services, LinkedIn is great for professional networking. If you're selling digital products or courses, Twitter and Instagram can attract the right audience. And if you want long-term brand authority, YouTube and a personal website are the best assets to build. Your personal brand is what makes you stand out. People don't just buy products, they buy from people they trust. So, share valuable content, document your journey, and engage with your audience consistently. Think of it this way. If someone Googles your name, what do you want them to see? Your brand should work for you 24/7, even when you're not online. Once you start making money with your skills, the next step is scaling. Most people stay stuck trading time for money, but real financial growth comes from leveraging and automating your work. First, increase your pricing as demand for your work grows. If clients are lining up, that's a sign you're undervaluing yourself. Next, build systems to handle repetitive tasks. Use automation tools for emails, scheduling, and customer management. The less manual work you do, the more time you have for bigger opportunities. Then, diversify your income streams. Turn your skills into passive income by creating digital products, courses, or subscription services. This way, you get paid even when you're not actively working. Scaling isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you set things up correctly, your business will continue growing without you having to hustle 24/7. In today's world, if your business isn't on social media, you're invisible. No matter what skill you're monetizing, social media can multiply your reach and attract paying clients faster than ever. Start by choosing the right platform. If you're offering design, writing, or marketing services, LinkedIn and Twitter are goldmines for professional clients. If you're selling products or courses, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are perfect for building an audience. Content is key. Share valuable insights, behind-the-scenes looks, and success stories. This builds trust and positions you as an authority in your field. And don't forget the power of networking. Engage with others in your niche, comment on relevant posts, and join communities where potential clients hang out. Social media isn't just about posting, it's about connecting. If used strategically, social media becomes a free marketing machine that brings in clients, sales, and brand awareness on autopilot. Starting a business is exciting, but most people fail because they make avoidable mistakes. And the worst part, many don't even realize their mistakes until it's too late. One major mistake: trying to do everything alone. You don't have to be an expert in marketing, sales, and operations all at once. Instead, outsource tasks or leverage tools that make your life easier. Another mistake: ignoring cash flow. Many young entrepreneurs focus only on making money, but they fail to manage expenses. If you're spending more than you earn, your business will collapse before it even grows. And perhaps the most common mistake: waiting for everything to be perfect before starting. The truth is, you'll never feel 100% ready. The key is to start small, learn fast, and improve along the way. Success isn't about avoiding mistakes, it's about learning from them quickly. Right now, you have everything you need to start making money with your skills. The only thing holding you back: action. Most people wait for the perfect moment. But the truth is, the perfect moment never comes. Those who succeed are the ones who start before they feel ready. They learn as they go, improve with time, and adapt to challenges. Think about this. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. They weren't experts when they began, but they took that first step. And that's exactly what you need to do today. So ask yourself, what's stopping you? If you start now, where could you be 1 year from today? 5 years from now? The sooner you begin, the sooner you start building your future freedom. Right now, you have everything you need to start making money with your skills. The only thing holding you back: action. Most people wait for the perfect moment, but the truth is, the perfect moment never comes. Those who succeed are the ones who start before they feel ready. They learn as they go, improve with time, and adapt to challenges. Think about this. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere. They weren't experts when they began, but they took that first step, and that's exactly what you need to do today. So ask yourself, what's stopping you? If you start now, where could you be 1 year from today? 5 years from now? The sooner you begin, the sooner you start building your future freedom. If this video helped you see new ways to monetize your skills and build a business, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button, subscribe for more game-changing financial strategies, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And now, I want to hear from you. Which skill will you monetize first? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting for the perfect time to start, because the perfect time is now. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, usually small, with uncertainty, and with no guarantees. But they took action. Your skills have value. Your time is now. Take that first step today and start building the life you want, because in a year from now, you'll wish you had started today.